LaMotte put the test strips and color matching guide in the junk drawer and invites you to discover the advancements of technology with your very own in-home digital water testing laboratory. The LaMotte 2056 ColorQ Pro 7 Digital Pool Water Test Kit includes a unique handheld Bluetooth ColorQ photometer, a battery-operated machine which measures the concentration levels of various compounds in your pool water. The pool water test results can be viewed on the photometer's digital display or sent in English, Spanish, or French to your personal electronic device. Included with the pool water test results, you'll receive customized chemical and dosage recommendations to keep your pool sparkling and fresh. Historical pool water testing is stored in the app, and LaMotte even connects you with pool experts in your area if you need some additional assistance. The pros are 1-year warranty, comprehensive data analysis, consistent results. The cons are testing agents have a 6-month or less shelf life. Several reagents require multiple tests.